to my channel. Today in this video I want to share with you best body self-tanners in 2023 available on Amazon. If you want to know more about these products or want to purchase, please feel free to check out the description. Number 1. Jergens Natural Glow Plus Firming Self-Tanner. Jergens Natural Glow Plus Firming Self-Tanner is a sunless tanning lotion that gradually improves and deepens your natural complexion, while nourishing and hydrating dry and extra dry skin. Infused with collagen, elastin, green tea and coconut water, this anti-cellulite formula helps reduce the appearance of cellulite within a week. The lotion has a fresh, cruelty-free scent. Number 2. Beauty by Earth Self-Tanner Tanning Lotion. Achieve tan skin with Beauty by Earth Self-Tanning Lotion. The lotion is formulated with organic aloe vera, shea butter and botanical extracts that moisturize the skin without toxins. It is available in different formats and can also be used on the face. Choose a light to medium shade for fair or pale skin tones, and medium to dark for dull or easily tan skin. Beauty by Earth promises to bring a natural glow without any orange color on your skin. Number 3. St.Tropez Self-Tanner Bronzer Mousse Foam. With St.Tropez Self-Tanner, you can achieve a streak-free, natural-looking tan that fits your skin tone. For individuals who desire consistent results or are new to tanning, this tinted tanning mousse is ideal. How to use. Prepare, exfoliate and moisturize dry areas, hands, feet, ankles and wrists. Apply, pump onto mitt and apply in circular motions, ensuring no mist patches. Rinse, shower off after 4 to 8 hours. Glow. A medium golden glow will develop in 4 to 8 hours. Layer for a deeper shade. What we like. Scratch-free finish, fast drying, up to 10 days of use. Number 4. Plus Luxe Unfiltered Number 32 Gradual Hydrating Self-Tanner in Rosewood. Prepare yourself with Plus Luxe Unfiltered Number 32 Gradual Hydrating Self-Tanner in Rosewood for the ultimate self-tan experience. This vegan tanning lotion, which contains shea butter, cocoa butter, and passion fruit oil, will leave your skin shining, bronzed, and moisturized. There is no requirement for a mitt, and it applies like lotion for a mess-free experience. Rosewood's aroma is an extra benefit. The item has gotten 5-star reviews and has been highlighted in prestigious publications. What we like. Infused with shea butter, cocoa butter, and passion fruit oil for a bronzed, hydrated, and glowing skin. Mess-free application without a mitt. The scent of rosewood is an added bonus. Number 5. Tan Luxe The Body Illuminating Self-Tan Drops. Tan Luxe The Body Illuminating Self-Tan Drops is a body self-tanner that helps tone while giving skin a more caffeinated look. It's made with hydrating and skin-boosting ingredients like raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, and aloe vera, plus a caffeine-rich cellutin complex to help plump skin. The product is pH balanced at 4.5 to minimize the traditional self-tanner odor. You can develop a radiant, natural glow in 4 to 6 hours. The product is 100% vegan and cruelty-free, with naturally sourced DHA. You can choose between light, medium, or medium dark shades depending on your skin tone. What we like. Contains caffeine to tone and plump up your skin. Develops a natural-looking, radiant glow in 4 to 6 hours. Designed with hydrating and skin-boosting ingredients such as raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, and aloe vera. pH balanced at 4.5 to minimize the traditional self-tan smell. 100% vegan and cruelty-free, with naturally derived DHA. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.